The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare complexes of mercury and dicysteinyl peptides under different reaction stoichiometries and to characterize the different complexes formed by electrospray ionization and orbitrap mass spectrometry.
This method can help answer key questions regarding the complexation tendencies of mercury and thiol compounds, which will enhance the rational design of chelating agents for sequestering mercury ions. The main advantage of this technique is that it facilitates the analysis of metal ion complexes with negligible fragmentation. Others include distinct mercury isotopic distribution pattern, ease in assigning the charge, and analyzing overlapping peaks by tandem mass spectrometry.
Though this method provides insight into mercury peptide complexes, it can also be applied with other complexes, especially with metal ions that exist in different isotopic forms.
Degas a 5 millimolar ammonium formate buffer under a vacuum system for 10 minutes and purge with argon. Repeat twice and store the solution under argon. On the day of use, filter the buffer solution through a 0.2 micron filter before use. To prepare mercury chloride solutions, weigh out 0.2375 grams of mercury chloride. Dissolve in 25 milliliters of 5 millimolar ammonium formate buffer to produce a 0.035 molar mercury chloride solution. Add 0.214 milliliters of the mercury chloride solution.